Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. It's brand new. Today we unboxing this phone, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now I will show you the spec. S26 Ultra sky blue. Okay, RAM is 12 GB, storage is 256 GB. That one is Malaysian set. It's sealed. Brand new. Yeah, I like this you open. Okay, handsome boy, okay. Start. Yeah, you just one side only. I already pull out. Yeah. Yeah, one side only. Yeah, turn on. You need water? Tell me, I have water. I give you water.
Why cannot work?
Press button. Later I put this one.
Macam baru kan? Baru kan? Sebab nak pasang cover dengan ni.
He say passing the temper glass and the cover.
Later you ask lah the rack shop if they can rack.
Yeah, I try, don't worry.
The blue is nice, huh?
Yeah, blue is nice more than pink color.
That one more like purple a bit.
Yeah. Okay, give me, I put the temper glass. Then I will activate the warranty. You take this one for me, helping. I help you help me.
Tapi bapak clear sial.
Ni apa iPhone?
17 Pro.
17 Pro Max.
I tak pernah tengok phone abang punya video.
Abang phone வச்சிருக்கா?
Ada கூட உண்மைதான்.
I use three colors. First I use silver, then I go orange, then I go.
Yeah, you got money.
No money. Don't worry. Mummy come.
You don't talk about mummy earlier. Mummy and India.
No, I know she buy Ultra. I know. Because I know that one is new model come. So new model she will buy must.
Tak ada lah. Dia harap mak datang tukar phone baru.
She buy.
Satu kali tu mak dah bowling depan dia kan.
Mummy
dia
is
macam,
big
wow.
boss.
Tengok.
Mummy is big boss. Now it's done. That one is nice. You see, just one time put is fixed properly. Give me, I connect Wi-Fi and activate the warranty.
Activate the warranty. Later the transfer data all I'll transfer.
Yeah. Later you can transfer. If you need help, you can call me.
iPad how much? You know, iPad I asked you to check the other day.
You was saying about pink color. You want pink color only. This is. You want now or later?
Bulan 8 lah I'll come and buy.
Okay, next month.
Ada sambal under 2 மாசமா நிக்க சொன்னீங்க. Berapa tu iPad tu? Yang 11 inch tu berapa? 2000 ah? 1000.
2000.
Cool, but very fast, huh?
If you interested, if they launch Ultra, then you tell me first. I will order from US.
The phone looks like, the white one looks like passport.
No, but actually,
But I saw so many people using look smart also.
yeah.
But the thing is, we using iPhone, if we transition to Samsung,
Okay, now you tell me your opinion.
okay, if we use iPhone and then we transition to Samsung,
Okay.
the small phone won't be okay. Won't be suitable. So later,
Later.
let iPhone come out first. Let
Yeah.
the phone and 18 Pro Max
Actually, they have already planned when they launch 15 Pro Max. They have planned that time also launching, but that time the problem is the lining.
yeah, the crease.
The
Yeah, I
yeah.
know.
So they starting to cover this one because they don't want to
They
headache
don't want to
for
have the hinge.
the hinge for problem or line coming like this problem. They don't want to face. So that's why they're doing this one.
Yeah, but too late lah. Samsung already come out first.
Samsung make copy. You know Samsung make copy.
But the iPhone Fold is using Samsung screen, right? From Samsung company, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Then what's the difference?
All parts. Samsung also that Vietnam making parts. Samsung phone also the Vietnam they making the parts. All parts. Oh yeah. Let's see. No problem. Only 1 month have.
Yeah.
Not very big time or big movement. 1 year like
They
this.
come
Yeah.
out first,
You know, yeah.
Then we see.
Yeah. But I will use.
You will
they
use the phone.
Yeah, if they launch I use.
Yeah, like you test phone, right?
Yeah. I buy. No problem. How much? Whatever. No problem.
Oh, you really like the phone?
I like phone. I like phone, watches, shoes, and perfume. These things only. Because dressing I like only. That's why I take. If I like something, I buy. I don't care about money. Yeah, you have life. You should to enjoy it. If you caring the money, you will die. Then what you will do?
If you have money, just buy. Don't care.
Yeah. He come many times. He asked me very critical question more time. Really.
Okay, I don't mind changing phone, but it needs to be worth it.
Yeah.
Like last time I changed from 6 to 12.
12. Now 12 to 18.
Most
6.
probably.
6 1.
Possible lah.
Yeah.
But I want like not every year change phone like dumbass lah for me to see lah. Waste money on it.
Yeah. Like
Yeah,
you don't mind lah.
every
this guy.
person has his own choice. Okay. Yeah.
Like me, I started from 5, the one also buy second hand, and then I bought 7, and then I changed to 13, and then until now.
So many times.
Cik, iPhone 5 tu I beli daripada Syida RM500, dia dah sekarang pecah. So my betul-betul punya iPhone 7.
First, my brother give me iPhone 6. Same day I sell. I never use iPhone. Basically, before I'm using Android phone. Okay, I'm Samsung user. Then the first I'm using the touch phone is Nokia one. You know Nokia N series is very nice. Before no sir. Yeah, I like that series also.
I
Yeah,
used to do that.
yeah.
No,
They will.
Nokia memang macam-macam design dia keluar ada.
dulu.
The sabun ada.
Nokia when they put his software inside the Microsoft, then they flop.
Yeah.
Yeah, before is good.
Mana ada Nokia?
But Nokia good technology, you know. Yeah, that time. But the BlackBerry also very good.
Yeah, I like Bull 8. Bull 8 or Bull 4?
BlackBerry is very good phone, you
Macam
know.
James Bond pakai Bull 4.
You know. Yeah.
Eh, can give phone ah?
Try now, give her. No problem. He will open the shop first. He know now until not open the shop. We are late. Okay, you give her. I will tell him. The best phone until in my life only BlackBerry.
BlackBerry.
Yeah.
Boss, phone Face ID. I tried to set up Face ID. It's not coming up.
नवी देखी दे रही कोई मसला नहीं.
Tell him the other day do it use.
No, the day we repair upstairs.
But check lah. Don't want
Yeah.
expensive all.
Last time, I think February, I come here and change.
So finally it's done. We update already. The warranty is activate. I will show you now spec. You see, we just update only. Just see the downside. We just update only. The phone is Samsung. This one have problem. Phone heat up. Only we update. See, very bad heat up.
Yeah lah, now later we see the iPhone fold. Abang kecil lah. He say iPhone. I will take 18 Pro Max only. I don't
Ada lah,
fold.
kecil tak ambil kau.
Huh? Camera change होना. Face ID सही है?
Camera problem?
Yeah, he say your Face ID okay. The camera is problem. Yeah.
I gave you to do the
I do-
camera. I don't use the camera at all.
Can you
Just
listen
Face
to?
ID.
The sensor is different thing. The camera is different thing.
Yeah, bhai.
If camera is clean, then sensor will be catch you.
Okay lah, do first.
Do
Okay.
lah, see lah. But not expensive and all.
do.
I change
नवी कर लेगा.
I change at you ah.
पहले अब्दुल मान को कराई सी की तांग कहने हैं. हाँ. कर लेंगे तो ठीक है. उधर पर तू है नहीं सीगा.
फिर वो JCID वाला भी बोल रहा है, वो भी तो
वही करेगा.
JCID डिवाइस ही नहीं है.
He say he can do, but the device don't have. You need to wait
Huh? What device you have?
for copying this data. They will do copy that data to install new camera.
Okay.
If they didn't install the new camera, they show you message is Face ID issue. So must take tomorrow lah. Better tomorrow. Relax. No problem. What?
Tomorrow lah.
Yeah. After you rushing.
Data masuk phone lain, kenapa?
Bukan. Kamera punya data kena masuk dalam phone lagi satu. Nak replace
In
kamera.
iPhone,
Jangan.
I will explain it. In iPhone, the camera have data.
Okay.
Camera means the coding.
Okay.
If I will not code this data to another device, your Face ID is not working.
Tak match.
Yeah, not match. Yeah.
Okay.
I will. They have like small device. Okay. I will put this device to the camera to their device and put new one also. First, I will copy this.
Camera have like a IP address. Okay, the IP address.
Yeah.
So that one need to copy and paste the new
Hari tu diorang tak dapat lagi benda tu diorang kata.
So that device I don't have. I have I2C. But that ribbon before your phone using that one JCID. JCID device.
So the reason I cannot do now is
Not now. Tomorrow can.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow can. Yeah. Tomorrow 1 o'clock you send me. I will try to send you back like 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Yeah. You can do Lala move and send me back. No problem. Okay.
The phone
Done?
muncul dah sikit. You don't take vlog all faster.
What?
You don't take vlog all faster.